Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to hide or show desktop icons in Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. So welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to come to your Windows PC environment, just like so. What you need to do is simply right click on your window environment and navigate to View. Then from View, make sure you go to Show Desktop Icon. And in a few seconds, all your desktop icons is going to be disabled. Now, for you to show the desktop icon on Windows 10, what you need to do is to simply come back to the window environment, right click on it just like so, then navigate to Views, then from View, simply navigate to Show Desktop Icon. And with that, you have all your icons back in a few seconds. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to hide or how to show desktop icon on Windows 10 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.